Hey DIYs, this is Chriso, and what I'm doing is three of these. This is my third one, and I'm masking it up to keep my black grout off the paint. It's a must. Black grout is the worst ever. DIYs, if you can avoid it, do it. You know, like run a mile. If you can avoid it, don't do it. But this job is for a person that's very special, so I'm doing it. Sometimes you just have to do these jobs, and if you don't like them, well, too bad. So I'm masking up all the way down. Keep the black off the tiles. But even when you're wiping off, black grout just, it's hard to wipe off. It's terrible. Anyway, I hope you're learning, DIYs, what I'm teaching. Some things may not click. Well, the worst thing too is there's 3 toilets, but they've got to be operational because the people are still living in the house. So these are brand new toilets, and they've been fitted back by the plumber. They weren't in when I was tiling, but then he put them in. And I'm having the grout over them, you know, stand on the, what a pain. Grout around them, not good. Anyway, today's Friday. I don't think I'm going to finish today, but if I'm half a day longer or half a day shorter, doesn't make me rich or poor. And just sort of the nature of the beast, there's a fair bit of work that goes into it. There's 2 upstairs, 2 toilets upstairs, 1 downstairs. This is my third one. But even when you wipe off it, that black grout, it doesn't look clean. And then grouting around this sort of thing. Anyway, it's all good. It's part of it. It's all part of it. The plumber that put these toilets in lives 2 doors down, and he's wanting his 3 bathrooms done. So, you know, it's all been worth it. He wants them started in a month. Like, all these homes are it's a pretty expensive neighbourhood. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm good to go. I'll see you soon. I'll mix up my grout and bang it in.